Hello dear explorer, this is Juan, here to guide you through the exploration and discovery of the language Spanish fluency. Before we get started, here you see the step to get the introduction in a constructive transition from English to Spanish, a basic overview of the learning strategy and activities. Constructive versus cognitive learning. Context learning using video imagery. Language immersion method. Tools for progress measurements. Also, you will see how every step is well connected to get introduced into the language. For example, if I start using Spanish, you will notice as I wrote in Spanish here, if you listen carefully to every word in Spanish, all the words use the same sound for the vowels. The difference is in the consonants. For example, the vowels in English is A, E, I, O, U. In Spanish, you say simple, A, E, O. So, if you read this test, vocales en español, pronunciación es igual para todas las palabras. If you notice, I say O, A, S, en español. Pronunciación. So repeat after me these vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And using some consonants, for example, if they say mom or mama, in Spanish you say all the accent, almost all the accent go into the first syllable. For example, mama, papa. I use 2P and 2 times the A, and I use the same as I say pay, but in Spanish is papa. Following, you will see the basic overview, some activities like blog, community learning, and the content management system on the Moodle to handle and connect or integrate all the activities. Next steps are constructive versus cognitive learning and context learning, video imagery. These two steps, I mentioned these two steps at the same time because they are very connected. Here I want you to take in mind constructive versus learning versus cognitive learning is because constructive learning is the best versus cognitive learning that make the student to memorize word by word, but the constructive learning use something that is called context learning, that is context connected learning instead of concept memorization. For this step, I will show you a video for using this video as a video dictionary to help the student connect the meaning of what he's seeing or what he's watching to the meaning. Most importantly, get immersed into the language, I will guide the student into some methods, but to let you know some, if you want to learn a language, you have to use the language 24/7, speaking, listening, or reading. For example, you should use your websites in the language you are learning, your operating system, your dictionary, the music you listen to, the people you speak to, and the books you read to. For example, you read the Bible. Fine, you're learning Spanish, that is the language in study. You should get a Bible in Spanish. You should speak to people in Spanish. Finally, to know if you are really learning, you will learn automatically. You will evaluate yourself automatically by the activities that will be used into the program. For example, for critical thinking, reflective journals will be posted either in forums or user blogs, demonstrating technique like presentation, video conferencing. For self-management assessment, autobiography will be assigned for every user to have a brief description in the user blogs, where the student will be posting the weekly assignments. Also, database or information access management, like creating wiki dictionaries by students. Also, the communicating assessment, like PowerPoint presentation by students, report journals, as I said in the blogs, essay, debate, and teamwork collaboration assessment, like emailing, conferencing discussion, all debates, all forum discussions. So thank you for watching this video. You have already learned about all the best considered steps for getting into the language. I hope you get acquainted to the language, and remember, language is not acquired. Language is not taught, neither taught or learned, is acquired. En Spanish, la lengua no se aprende ni se enseña, sino se adquiere. Muchas gracias.